4. Okay, 99 red balloons, the Goldfinger version. Let's break some stuff down about this groove. Number one thing is the hi-hat is inverted. You're not playing, it's more. Okay, so if you listen, 99 red balloons go. Right? Everything's played with a lot of intention. It's not. You don't have to be flailing your arms all over to get that intention. It's just make sure that the notes are played firmly. You're placing them where you mean to place them. Just pounding the drums for the sake of pounding them, but I'm digging in a little bit. I mean to hit what I mean to hit. Another thing with, let's make sure we put the metronome on here. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Oh, it fell down. Let's put the metronome on, 98 BPM. And this part, like the verse or the pre-verse, if you can play this relaxed, try it out. So 98 BPM. So I'm not. Just trying to muscle it out. In fact, my arm's not the one playing this. It's my arm's staying, loose. It's not even moving really. It's my fulcrum's holding on, the fingers are playing the stick. That's 99 red balloons. Play it with intention. Focus on that hi-hat being a little inverted. Play the kick and snare, nice and beefy.